This briefing is for finance leaders and R&D executives at biopharmaceutical companies who are looking to scale clinical operations under the lens of private equity. We're seeing two distinct paths that life sciences companies take when it comes to clinical trial spend. The first is a scientific path, often taken by smaller, more research-focused organizations. Here, clinical trials are treated as scientific programs demanding rigor and expertise, but not necessarily as capital-intensive ventures demanding financial discipline. The second path is a capital-efficient path, taken by larger, more commercial-focused organizations where clinical trials are viewed as capital-intensive ventures that need commercial logic embedded throughout. For those taking the capital-efficient path, here are 6 areas where finance can drive greater control and transparency over clinical trial spend. 1. Cost per patient benchmarking. Before a trial starts, benchmark cost per patient by indication, phase, and geography. 𝗖𝗙𝗢𝗦 is an industry leader in this space, offering advanced feasibility and cost modeling tools through its trial design optimization and cost benchmarker suite. These services are typically structured under fixed-fee engagements or data licensing agreements, allowing internal finance and clinical teams to make data-informed decisions prior to protocol approval. 2. Site strategy and optimization. Selecting and managing trial sites requires a data-driven approach. Metadata, now part of Dassault Systems, enables this with its SiteCloud platform, providing granular historical data on site performance, including enrollment speed, screen failure rates, and regional cost variances. Companies typically license this service through a SaaS subscription model, integrating it into broader clinical data infrastructure. 3. CRO oversight and incentive alignment. Contract research organizations, or CROs, are often the second largest cost center in a trial budget. Leading CROs like PPD, now part of Thermo Fisher Scientific, and Parexel offer milestone-based contracts that align payments with patient enrollment and data milestones, not calendar time. These contracts often follow a hybrid structure, a baseline FTE model augmented by milestone-triggered payments, and cap change orders to manage scope creep and limit budget drift. 4. Real-time financial monitoring. As trials go live, financial governance must shift from retrospective cost tracking to real-time signal monitoring. Finance and ops teams can track rolling cost per enrolled patient, site performance, and pass-through expenses via integrated dashboards. These platforms are usually contracted under annual SaaS licensing agreements, often bundled with core clinical data systems such as EDC, CTMS, and eTMF. 5. Strategic financial governance. For CFOs looking to engineer capital efficiency across the R&D lifecycle, strategic partners like BCG and ZS Associates provide finance-led advisory services. These engagements typically follow retainer or project-based contracts and may include value-based pricing models tied to cost savings, trial acceleration, or enterprise value preservation. In summary, to protect enterprise value, especially in a payback environment, clinical trials must evolve from opaque cost centers into transparent, governed value levers. CFOs can lead this transformation by embedding industry benchmarking, selecting efficient trial sites, structuring CRO contracts to reward outcomes, adopting real-time monitoring tools, and engaging strategic advisory to ensure capital discipline across the development lifecycle. For more on how finance can drive R&D efficiency, check out our channel and hit the subscription button.